Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And let's analyze and solve this age problem dahil pagdating po sa exam ay hindi po to nawawala. Okay, number 1, a father is 3 times as old as his son, and his daughter is 3 years younger than his son. If the sum of all 3 ages 3 years ago was 33 years, find the present age of the daughter. Okay, so medyo tricky siya dahil tatlo po yung mayroong edad. At ang hinahanap, yung present age daw nung daughter. Okay, the best way to solve age problem for me, para sa akin, ay table method. So, let's analyze. So, si father, ayan, si son, and daughter. Okay. Let X para doon sa son. Sabi niya, a father is 3 times as old as his son. So, meaning, 3x kasi, sabi niya, 3 times as old as his son. So, ito yung now, okay? Yung edad nila ngayon. Next, as his daughter is 3 years younger than his son. So, yung edad daw ni daughter, 3 years younger. So, meaning, x minus 3. Kasi, 3 years younger daw doon sa son, which is x. Let X para doon sa son. Okay, next. If the sum of all 3 ages 3 years ago. Okay, anong ibig sabihin yan? The word ago meaning backward. Okay, magdidak tayo ng 3 dito sa father, son, and daughter. At ang equal daw ay 33 years. So, ididak natin ng 3 bawat isa. Itong father, 3x minus 3. Okay. Yung son, x minus 3. At yung daughter, x minus 3. And didakan pa natin ng 3. Okay. At ang sabi niya, ang total daw niyan ay 33 years. So, the total of this, yung sum nito, ay 33 years. Now, the question here is, find the present age of the daughter. Okay. So, ito, i-add natin para makuha natin yung son, muna tong x, para makuha natin yung age ng daughter. Okay. So, pag-addin daw natin yan, negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 12. Okay. And dito naman, 3x plus x is equal to 5x. Bakit 5x? Tandaan po ninyo, pag wala po yung number dito sa before x, meron pong coefficient yan, automatically na 1. Okay. Always remember that. So, yan na po ang ating equation. 5x minus 12 is equal to 33. Okay. Kasi the sum of 3 ages 3 years ago, ito yun, was 33. Okay. Para maiwan yung x, lipat lang po natin yung 12 sa kabila. 5x is equal to 33 plus 12. Okay. Since subtraction dito, pag nilipat nyo sa kabila, magiging addition na. So, 5x is equal to 33 plus 12 is 45. Okay. Lipat na lang natin dito para mas malinaw. So, 5x is equal to 45. Para maiwan yung x, divide lang natin both sides by 5. Okay. So, x is equal to 9. Ngayon, balikan natin yung question. Sabi niya, find the present age of the daughter. Since ito yung kukunin natin, itong daughter, isubstitute lang natin yung age nung son na 9 para makuha natin yung present age nung daughter. So, dito, substitute lang natin yung x, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Ito yung present age nung daughter. Therefore, the answer here is letter B. Okay. Pagdating sa age problem, very effective po talaga ang table method. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!